In this time, we will to learn make a simple rocker arm in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Just go to SolidWorks, open the SolidWorks. First, we want to make from front plane. Right click on front plane in here and click sketch. First, we want to make two circle like this. Make two circle in here. Draw it like this. And set the dimension for circle in here, the little circle. The half diameter is 30 millimeter. 30 millimeter. Click OK. Here I use a millimeter unit. Okay. And the second circle is have a diameter 40 millimeter. Like just click OK. And then we want to make center radius like shape like this, cut like this. So select the center line in here, draw it like this, set the dimension for distance. The center of this point have this as 70 millimeter. 70 millimeter like this. Simple. Then in here there have a radius 5. So see simple, just make a circle like this. Draw this and until this point. Set the dimension in here. We can see in here the radius is 5 millimeter. So the diameter is 10 millimeter. Make a circle. The diameter is 10 millimeter. Then sketch 3-point arc like this. Select 3-point arc on sketch. Draw it from this to this like this. Okay, and don't forget 3-point arcs in here. Select the outer of circle in here, this circle, and click make tangent like this. In here too, select this line and select this circle and select the make tangent like this. Then set the radius in here. The half radius is 50 millimeter. Set the dimension for in here. Radius is 50 millimeter like this. Then we can erase this line in here and here like this. Select the line to draw like this, to make this. Set the dimension in here is 10 millimeter. Okay, and we can to make another circle in here have radius 10 millimeter. So select circle in here, draw until this point and set the dimension of circle. The circle have a radius 10 millimeter. So the diameter circle is 20 millimeter like this. Okay, just simple. And draw again line like this. Select the 3-point arcs in here. Select from this to this. Draw it like this. Don't forget this line and this circle to click make tangent, and this line to this circle to click make tangent again. Then we can see in here half radius is 110. Set dimension, draw it 110 like this. Just click OK for radius like OK. And we can to see another side in here like this. Before to another side, we can to trim entities. This line, and this line. Okay, it's simple like this. Okay, just click OK. You can do focus in here. Select the center line again. Draw from this point. Ensure this line is make horizontal like this. And set the distance in here. The center to this line is 50 millimeter. Set the dimension in here to center. It is 50 millimeter, like this. Then make a step like this. So select the corner rectangle, start from this point, draw like this, set the dimension. For width is 15 and for height is 20 millimeter, like this. So simple. Yes. And select the 3-point arc again, draw from this point to this circle, draw like this, and we can see ensure this line and select this circle and click make tangent. Okay, so simple. And click smart dimension again, draw set the dimension of radius in here, have a radius of 40 in here, of 40 millimeter, like this. And then select the 3-point arc again to draw in the top here and here and here. Ensure this line and this circle to make tangent again, like this. And then you can to set the dimension or radius in here, have a radius 100. Sorry, sketch, edit sketch again, smart dimension, set the dimension, have a radius is 100, this 100. Okay, just click OK. We can to trim entities this line, and we can to zoom, we can empty this to this line, sorry, this line like this. Just click OK. And then go to feature to thickness in here. For direction, we can select the mid plane. Select contour, we can select in the center of circle in here to make like a tube. For example, like thickness in here, I want to set in 21 millimeter in here. So click OK. And see again, sketch 1. And click extrude boss. And select contour, you can select this line. For the second contour or in here, second face, second selected contours in here, we can set the thickness is in 5 millimeter, for example, like this. Just simple, just click OK. Okay, ini a simple rocker arm. We can to change the color, maybe is gray like this. Just click OK. Okay, this is a simple rocker arm. I hope this help you to practice or learning SolidWorks, especially in sketching. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this material. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.